How's it going everyone? Space Life here. In today's episode we're going to be making an incredible apple and chorizo salad. And when I say incredible, it really is incredible. So first we've got a mixture of salad here. We've got some tree spinach here, we've got some beetroot leaves, a mixture of lettuce, a few herbs, some mint. And it's really going to make the salad come to life. So we'll put this to one side and we're going to prep the rest of the salad. So we've got your cucumber here. It's going to want nice chunks of cucumber. And then that can just go straight in the bowl. Now with your tomato. Now for your avocado. These are always a bit tricky to prepare. Always cut straight down the centre. And there's that pip in there as well. You can see, it should just open straight up. Now, just come straight out. So the avocado is pretty easy to prepare. You can just cut it straight down here. And then you can literally scoop this like this. If you're really lucky, you'll be able to just peel the skin straight off of the avocado like this as well. That's when you know they're ripe. On with the onion. Just going to put half of the onion in today. You want to finely chop this onion. It looks a lovely colour as well. You can see all these different colours coming together nicely. Now it's time for your radishes. And it can make a really nice effect. Now this can go straight in the salad as well. And now that's your salad prepped. Now it's on for the second part of this. Now you can see we've got the pepper here. I'm going to chop the pepper. Now you want nice chunks of the pepper. And now it's on with your chorizo. It's going to be a main part of the salad, so we're going to put quite a lot of it in. And we can move that to one side as well. And now you can start prepping your apple here. I like to cut it straight down the middle. You can cut it into quarters here. It just makes it a lot easier because then you can literally just cut the pips straight out. Now we're going to cut these apples again, and then these are all ready to go. Now you want to get your lemon ready. We're going to add this a bit later on. So I'm just preparing it all ready because you don't want to have to be messing around later. You want it all ready to go. So next what we got to do is get your pan on the heat. And then you want to toast your peanuts. This really adds a nice extra flavour to them. You won't need to add any oil in here. It's already oil in with the peanuts. They'll probably only take about 2 minutes. You want a nice golden brown colour on them. And they'll smell really nice. You'll notice when they're ready. I do love being able to cook outside though. Such a nice evening. It's been a really hot day today, but it's pretty cool now, so it's a lot more bearable. So now these are really starting to smell amazing right now. We're going to take these off and leave them to one side, and now it's on to the next step. Next we're going to cook off the pepper, add a little bit of olive oil in here. And get your pepper straight in. We want to cook the pepper a little bit longer than the chorizo, so we're going to put it in first. And next we're going to add your chorizo. Now the pepper's been cooking for about 2 or 3 minutes. It's had a nice head start on the chorizo now. And you'll notice when the chorizo cooks down, a bit of oil will come out of that. And that's exactly what we want. It's where all the flavour's at. So you want to cook this for about 2 or 3 minutes. You want it to be just before it starts crisping up. You don't want it to go too crispy. when you can start mixing in your peppers as well. You don't want to overcook the chorizo, you don't want it to be too crispy. So now it's about this stage, everything's cooked through. We can put this to one side, just put these apples straight in this hot pan. Add a little bit of olive oil to these apples. And then let them cook a little bit for about 2 minutes like this. You don't want them to go too soft. It's time to add in your brown sugar. And this should help them really caramelize nicely. Add a whole lot more colour to them. Just want that brown sugar to all melt. And add a little bit more olive oil in there to help it along. The apples are nice and caramelised in the pan. You can take this off, turn the heat off, get your chorizo, whack it in there. Okay, so now we've got our amazing caramelised apples here. I'm going to add these around the edge. And then chorizo and pepper around. And then add a few peanuts. Just a little bit of olive oil. Some lemon juice to finish it off. And there you have it. It's all good to go. It looks incredible and I can't wait to tuck into this. Thanks everyone for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.